So we're back for day number 2. I might be the last stream ever if we finish the project today. Hopefully we finish the project and then we never have to fucking stream again. I'm kind of streaming again to get through like, I don't know, 6 or 7 projects. And then I shoot it. This took, I don't know what, like, what you guys were there, like 3 hours? The idea from the last stream, what we ended, was I need to 3D print pretty much all of them. Something we gotta go over is the sensor on this fucking sucks. I think we're gonna switch to piezoelectric sensors, which is what they use on guitars. And I just got them in on Amazon. We have all of this stuff that we 3D modeled and printed last stream. Look at that, right? Piss cam. Dude, I had another idea. Okay, this is a good idea. Sorry, I'm kind of just like spouting off ideas I have for side projects that I want to do on stream because I don't want to make videos about them. Okay, hear me out. A Chrome extension that sits in your browser, and when you open my video, only my video, it clicks the link for the sponsor in the description in a separate tab and then immediately deletes the tab, right? So they think that you went to the sponsored website and then I get more money from it. Yeah? Yes? Right? That would be awesome. That's kind of the play, right? But I modified it a little bit and I decided, I don't know why the fuck I had the idea to like cut out my own targets out of HDPE sheet. That was dumb, so I just 3D printed my own on a Prusa, by the way. This one was on the Prusa, and then these were on Bamboo Labs printers. So let me show you the new design. Why the exposure so high? Yeah, that's actually a great question. Why the exposure so high? Here, watch it. I can change this. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, ladder time. Okay, thank you 3-1 and us guys for the prime subs. And then I go here. There's gotta be like a exposure dial. Okay, try that. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually detoxing AI as much as I possibly can. Okay. And then back to top down. Oh, that looks so much. You guys were right. All right, I'll give you that one. This is the shaft from last time. We did like a 3D model of this guy last time and then printed it out as I stopped. Freaking thank you, Eric Firebeard, for the sub. Boom. This fits in the shaft, right? This fits in the shaft. Then the shaft fits on this thing. Yeah, fits on this thing, and then you screw it in with like M6 screws. Yeah. When's the next upload? I don't know. 12 months. Boom. You screw into the shaft, right? You screw into the shaft, and it kind of holds it in. And then this will screw into this side of the shaft. And you really just gotta hope and pray that it works, because there wasn't a whole lot of testing that went into this. Okay. That sort of doesn't work. Okay, that's fine. I think it's these M6 screws are too big for the 6mm holes, right? So, okay. All right. I think you make these holes bigger. I'm gonna kill myself. Sometimes you gotta do it your damn self, so. Okay, good. Nice. Needs bearings? I don't wanna put bearings. I just don't wanna do that. Because it's so much work, you know? I think it's just the holes being bigger will do the trick, you know? Ideally, this is a target that like kind of flaps in the wind. Surely it won't rotate on the screw? Yeah, I don't be fine. Already with the bigger holes, it feels much better. Scrape away the shmoo. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, check this out, Well, I mean, that works all right. That's not too bad. Okay, this way, Baba. Okay, look. Boom, okay. So, now, with this. Looks good, right? It looks great. Thank you, Ask for Slap for the sub. Boom. Okay. Is your aim that good? You know, honestly, it is kind of pretty good. Huh. Huh. Man. That fucking... Man. Dude. Dude. Look how many of these I fucking made. Dude. Look how fucking many I printed. The gun just goes right through. No. 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 That's... No. No! Fuck. 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 No. Dude, I had this whole plan. I had like a whole stream. I had a whole stream ready. I had this whole fucking thing and it was like, dude, they looked really strong. They looked really strong when I printed them. So I was like, okay, 20% infill, sure. PLA, 20%, because I said, oh, it looks so good with the red and the white. And it does. Look how fucking awesome it looks with the red and the white. Shit. It's my fault for the 20% infill, for sure, 100%. I think 100% pt.2 infill would have been a better solution to this problem. But I didn't have a lot of time. I was doing Valentine's with Lily yesterday, and then like the other day I was sleeping. So fuck, no Nerf gun, no. We're gonna use this gun, and we're gonna use probably not these targets, but maybe these targets with like a metal backing plate. I don't think the metal backing plate is that bad of an idea actually, at least for this stream, until I can 3D print some better ones. Oh, test another one? Test another one. He's right, maybe that one was defective. Yeah, that's a good point. Test another, yeah. Well, there was only one bullet in it. Why not have a remote? He's banned. That guy's banned. And you're getting uncircumcised. Oh, I cut off too much. 100% I cut off too much. Whatever. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Drill press goes down, and then boom, and then this thing, it's like a tightener. Tightens it down. And then I think we'll just drill through the middle. It doesn't matter if the plate stays in one place or not. At least it's... No, it matters if it stays in one place. But it doesn't matter if it, like, rotates or not. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that, yeah. That doesn't make any good noise. But that's good enough for a test. That's good enough for a test, 100%. You guys can't see it, but... Yeah, good enough for a test. Solid. Usually I just never mention it again. Hey! Oh, you guys didn't see shit, huh? Yes! Yes! It's good enough! It's good enough for now. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty good. Okay, all right. How do you use it? Like, can you... Do I have to, like, run voltage through it, you think? Need a clock? I see it acts like a mic. That makes sense. It does literally make voltage. God, that's so cool. Isn't that crazy that we have a fucking piezo crystals? Like, that we have a crystal that makes electricity? That is like some Borderlands 1 or like some fucking D&D shit, right? Like we have a crystal in the world that makes electricity when you hit it really hard. I always thought that was kind of cool. I'm probably gonna cut them and put some like actually good pins on there so I can slap them in the breadboard. And shit, maybe it's time to solder. I don't know. And then I go, whoop. And this is gonna be like kind of a temporary thing, so I'm not gonna add in any heat shrink. I'll probably just electrical tape. And then try and take as deep of a breath as you can and huff as many fucking fumes as is humanly possible with this. So if I put this wire here and then also put it here, these two wires are connected through like a little strip of metal. That's all we want. Now if I put it here, these wires are not connected anymore because this is a strip and then this is a strip. That's how this works. Okay. And I guess I'll just do like an analog read and then we'll see what happens. And then you upload that. So what's happening right now is this code this ass code that I just wrote is being sent to this guy, which is gonna read the sensor that we have. Okay. Okay, we're going to analog. Surely we go to analog. It doesn't need that big fucking ass resistor. Yeah, that might be the case. But when there's an issue, I usually add a pull down or a capacitor and it makes things work. So this is always my first step to trying things. Yeah, it is just registering zeros when I smack it. Maybe pt.2 was wrong. Maybe the piezoelectric isn't better. Still pretty good. The same thing. The gun thing? Yeah, the gun thing, but I'm having a hard time getting the sensor to work.
Well, you do your little thing, my little scientist.
Okay, bye. Yeah, bye. So I throw another resistor on, I think I changed the code to pin 32. That's good! Damn, this should just make electricity. Okay, I put this here, somewhere. Like probably on the aluminum, right? I'm gonna just tape it like this, tape it straight on. Okay, that's a 1 amp pull down resistor on the analog pin, okay? Okay, have a look, tell me. Anyone? Anyone see anything? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, well, we're reading freaking donuts, so like zeros. The delay might be too slow. Right? Okay, that's 1. This needs to change, it needs to change. Now, did that change? Did it? Okay, let's see again. What is the last number? 4, right? Oh, okay, no BB, no BB, no BB. Okay, it has to change. Awesome, awesome. Yes! Yes! Woo! Yes. Okay, cool. I need to do fucking nothing else. That is getting its absolute back blown out. This thing is like barely holding on. Oh, it's because the point I screwed into is almost completely shredded off the target. I thought these targets would be so much more robust. They're not robust at all. Still, that's progress. That's actually really good progress. If you ever have trouble with electronics, the first thing you do is try a pull down resistor. The second thing you do is put a capacitor somewhere. And then the third thing you do is give up. Those are the only troubleshooting electronic steps that I have in my arsenal, and the thing is they never let me down. I think we just have one smart web server and then ESPs with a bunch of different IDs, and then those IDs, you know, like are in a dictionary. Let's just start doing stuff. Should be it. This should be it. This should be, we put this into, I'm gonna upload it. We put this into the ESP, we put it on this board, and then I smack it, and then it switches cameras. You can activate it can you activate it by screaming into it? Ah! Ah! No. No, it's actually so good. Sorry about that, if that was loud. I'm not that sorry about it. Okay, so then this will go on top of the target, like here, I think. 3D print is not done. Like, oh shit, you guys can't see. Okay, let me get the top down, boom. Doesn't this look fucking professional now? Like, it looks really good. And then I take this and I put it down on the target. It's probably, yeah, it's switching because I... Is it just closing a circuit? No, I guess it's actually generating electricity. And then we're getting, like, this guy, when it feels vibration, generates electricity, and then this guy is just sensing it, detecting it, and then when it detects it, it tells OBS to change the scene. It's like a real thing. Okay, so we should be able to also, oops, okay, the USB-C port is being blocked by a screw. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Yeah! 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 Yes, 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 yes. Okay, big, it works big. The piezo transducer was a good idea. It turns out it was a good idea. It was smart, and it is way more consistent than calibrating a reed switch. I'm gonna change the target out, because this target is, yeah, all but completely shredded. Shit, damn, that thing is taking so long, man. It's weird, there are like 2 wolves inside of me. One wolf wants every machine tool that's ever been built, including like CNC stuff, and then the other wolf wants to build stuff out of garbage that I find in the trash. And both of them are racist. I go here. And then we just mount it. We mount it next to it. Like right next to it, surely, right? Rip Frederick. Frederick passed away from dropsy. It was a sad, sad death. I tried very hard to make him not die, and then he fucking died. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, look at this. Look how well that rotates too. See that? Also, this is probably the only time you guys will be able to see it rotate, because when I shoot it, it's gonna switch to this camera and you won't ever be able to see it. Okay, that's so good. That's so good. Bang. Someone was asking why they need to rotate like that. It's because I think it looks cool for me, and it also lets me know that I actually hit the target. And hopefully it has no problems connecting, but that's powered. That's powered? That's powered, okay. The camera is awfully close to the target. Yeah, I guess if you're a bad shot, then it's awful close to the target. I guess if you were really bad with a revolver, then that, I guess you would call that really close to the target. But for me, that's just not close at all. That's in the 10 ring too. I want it to be noted that it's in the 10 ring, surely. Yes! Yes! Dude, how does it look? Does it look sick? Does it look like I'm just like killing you? Does it look good? That's in the 10 ring too. Fuck, I'm a good shot. Jesus. Damn, that looks good. Damn, that looks good. Holy shit, it looks so good. Yeah. What's the switch time like? How long does it take to switch off of the shot? Is it fast? Is there a wee? Okay, wait. There is a frame delay at the start because that's an OBS thing with these NDI cameras specifically. Let me turn it off. So then hopefully you get, let me turn it off. That was quick, huh? That was quick. That should be noted as the speed of the system. You know, that's not fun by OBS. Oh wait, this wouldn't do anything, right? We'll just switch back. Do you like that? That was good, huh? The long hair was good until it wasn't. Long hair actually felt nice. And then I was gonna ride it out till the end, you know? But, for the end of the video, I tried to put it in like a ponytail and I look like a Reddit mod. Okay, that's the target that the guy said the infill would be good on. He said 50% PETG infill will be fine. So if he's wrong, then we rip his dick off. That's life. 100% def won't break. Okay, some of the way in. Look at that. Dude, the swinging action it's better than the metal one that we made. The metal one that took, you remember, 4 hours? For all the foreskin. You remember that scene in Naruto? Put his foreskin back on. Put his fucking foreskin back on. Give him the uncircumcised badge. Someone doesn't get to have, someone does not get to have it. He was wrong. He was incorrect. Damn, this thing is strong. No circumcision for you, buddy. Oh, it went. It's not looking too good for you, huh? It's not looking too great. Damn, that's a strong airsoft gun. When I 3D printed 20% infill PLA and thought that it would just eat it and survive. I don't know what fucking idiot I was when I did that. I don't know. That's so stupid. Dude, if I had a plasma cutter or a laser cutter, CNC laser cutter, dude, we would whip out like 15 aluminum ones all in 5 minutes in one go. It would be sick. This is the PLA target and this is the pt.2 target. Here. Here's PLA. Like it's like super different. Yeah, it was pt.2. But we're gonna try 100% to see if that fixes anything. We need to take a break and collect our thoughts. I'm gonna try and make a sound effect in OBS when it gets shot, because I think that would be really cool. My dopaminergic pleasure sensors have been burned to a crisp by my Instagram Reels and TikTok, so I need all my satisfaction right now. You know, I need every good thing to happen right now at this moment, and so I don't have the patience to wait overnight for this dryer to dry the TPU. I promise this is gonna be good. This is gonna be a good sound effect, and you're really gonna feel it when I shoot it. Nice. That actually sounds juicy and nice. That sounds good, huh? Nice solo. That's kind of awesome. So this is the gun sound. That's really good, Joe. That's really good. 200. Get rid of this. I didn't really like the what does the fox say? Sorry, that was an L for me. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Oh. It failed.
What did you make today?
This play sound is giving me issues, so I restart this. But we know it works. We know it works. Check this out.
Okay. Oh!
That's you! That's pretty good. Hide your feet.
Crap. Hide my feet?
Hide your feet.
And I'll show them.
No.
And I'll show
No.
them. No, let them see my toes.
No.
Let them see my toes.
Okay, we're back. Okay. I need chicken with broccoli, and oh my god, Lily Pichu.
Do you want food? I'm starving.
I'd love some food. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! And that's what we wanted. So that sounds like this gun is firing. And I know to you guys, it sounds like this gun is actually making that noise. But in reality, it's actually just an audio effect that we put together, like cleverly. So it's actually just like mostly smoke and mirrors. It's not an actual, like this gun isn't actually making that sound. Yay! Okay, so this is the PLA target, and then this is the TPU target. Here, wait one sec. PLA, TPU. So actually that was really cool. You barely tell the difference. And this one might actually survive. This one might actually survive the shot, so that'll be good. Freaking... Yeah, that's It is truly what happens when you try to print TPU with a lot of moisture. Yeah, shame. But that's okay. The 100% pt.2 target is still printing, and I'm hopeful for that one. I'm actually hopeful for that one. Is this stuff expensive? No, not in that quantity. PETG will survive some shots. Yeah. 100% is a lot of freaking infill. I'm like, where does it even crack if it's 100% infill, you know? Okay. Yeah.
What are you
Hi,
up
Annie.
to?
This is gonna be my big test.
What are you doing?
This is my big test. Another target, and we're gonna try it with 100%, like a big weighty target. Like,
Whoa.
yeah, fill
Can
it.
I shoot guns?
Yeah. Yeah, you wanna shoot it? Well, the hot glue gun's still heating up, so.
Well, no. You should work
No,
on
no,
your
no.
shot.
No, it's still
work on
heating
your
up.
shot.
It's still heating up. Okay, there you are. Okay.
Hey, chat.
All right. Do you wanna? You can do this one. Here.
Hi, chat.
This is a can. We'll put that there, and then that's actually the worst spot ever. Here, this is good. Okay, there. Here you go. All right. Then the gun is here, and then I load the gun. Wouldn't it be cool if you could load all 6 at once?
Yeah. That's your
Yeah,
next.
they make that.
Really?
It's called speed loader. Yeah.
Awesome.
I was thinking about maybe making one.
Oh no, my feet. Oh no, you're seeing my little toes.
No, you can't have that. That's for
My
me
little
only. Here's some
toes.
top.
Wait,
Here's some
what-
socks. Here's some socks. There's some
No,
socks.
it's okay.
Look.
I don't care. I don't really
There,
care.
there's
I'm
some
not gonna
socks.
put socks on, bro.
Oh,
I'll just wear shoes.
but your dirty ass Crocs are okay.
I'm not. I'm fine.
Here, wait. Where am I?
I'm not gonna put socks on. It's
No,
fine.
just wear those.
The Crocs?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't really care about the feet. I was just joking.
Yeah, but still.
I was joking.
Okay, I care. I need to monopolize the wiki feed. Okay, here. Here's the gun. And that Dr. Pepper is your target. Right there. And I'd shoot at like a little angle in case you miss, and then hit a piece of metal and then it
Here?
bounces back. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Here, I'll make it a little easier. Even forward. Cock it back so it's a little easier. All the way.
What camera are you using right now?
That one.
Oh.
There you go.
Right.
Okay. This would blow your fingers off if it was real.
Oh shit.
That would shatter your wrist if it was real.
Did I miss?
Do you think you hit it? You think you hit it?
Wait, why did I miss?
I guess you weren't aiming at it.
But I'm putting the dot
Yeah.
between
these two.
Yes, I'm doing
and
that.
then put the dot on it while it be still in between the two. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. Ah!
What happened?
Sometimes it bounces, and that's
Did
okay.
it hit you?
A little bit.
Are you okay? That's
Yeah.
so funny. Wait, I'm putting the dot between the two. I'm doing it, but it's
And then are you putting the dot on the can?
yeah. I don't understand. I genuinely don't. I'm not getting. Look. I'm doing this.
Okay.
The dot is between the two.
It's a little low.
It's a little low. Okay.
Yeah.
So higher.
Aim it like the top third.
See, I get it.
Yeah. That was pretty good.
That was pretty good.
That was nice.
God, that was
That
fun.
was pretty good. Here. You can do it further. Yeah. Do it further away.
Oh my God, I'm good.
Look at that.
Wait, that's so fun.
You want to try to switch the camera?
Sure. How do I do that?
Okay.
Oh, you like shoot. Whoa.
Huh?
No, that's cool. Your setup
Yeah.
is cool. What
Thanks,
the
honey.
heck?
Okay.
Okay, so where am I shooting?
You're gonna. Okay, I'm gonna put this here, and please don't hit my camera.
I shoot that thing right there.
Okay, you see the. Okay, and then you'll
over
go.
there?
Yeah, and you can go right here to do it. Yeah, and then it'll. If you hit it, that camera will be looking right at you, and you'll look sick as
Oh,
hell.
that's so cool. Okay.
But you only have 2 shots left.
Don't worry, I only need one.
Okay.
I only need one.
Please don't hit my camera
That would suck ass.
or the electronics on top.
Don't worry, I got this.
One hand.
Yep. Did I get it?
You missed. But I'm really glad that you didn't hit the camera. You can still see the hole in the drywall. The little. You missed just left, and it almost hit us.
Wait, I was 2 left?
On that one, yeah.
They hit?
Hey! You got it! You got it!
That was fun.
You must have hit it right on the, you hit the shaft. So it barely moved, but the vibrations still work.
That was fun. Wow, that's fun. So you're just gonna be like,
good.
boop, boop, boop.
Yeah,
and
boop,
switch
boop, boop.
cameras.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow! That's so cool. We do it again. Now let's see what it looks like. Wow!
That's pretty good, right?
That's so fun.
I actually never see the scene change because I'm always shooting it.
No, I saw it.
But
That was
they look
cool.
good?
That looked cool.
That was
looked
pretty good, yeah. Okay, that's cooling. I'm gonna tape the piezo on the back. And then, God willing, this shit works. And I can go to sleep. What if we put it right there? Okay? Jeez, how the fuck do you clamp this? Oh, how do you clamp this? I guess, maybe, we'll do it right here. And, it's all on? Okay. Okay. Shit, how do we see now that I go back to OBS and I'm trying to switch shit myself, I'm like a fawn without a mother deer. You know, like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But when I have the gun in my hand, jeez, God, it feels like I'm able to edit anything. Look at this. Look at this, chat. No penetration. No penetration. Look at this. Look at this. That didn't switch it. Oh, it switched it. For sure, it switched it. see, look. No penetration. And the back? You guys can't see that. 0, 0, 0. 100% infill PETG is just the truth. That's actually all we, look. There's a dent, there's a dent. But like, also 3 shots of the 3 of 3. Pretty good shooting. There's dents, but it's intact. I think that's like our final target is just 100% infill PETG. I print 6 of them. I go to sleep and I freaking learn Chinese in the morning.